Hi everybody, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with my new guitar tutorial on the song When You Speak by Jeremy Camp. So before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So let's start. So the chords that will be used for this song are B minor, G major, D major, F sharp minor, and A major. So the transition for the first stanza and the second stanza will be the same, and the transition goes this way. So to play this one, you need to play first of all the B minor chord. You need to bar with your index finger this 5 strings from the first to the 5th string. So and you need to play the bass 3 strings, the 5th, 4th and the 3rd string. And you need to strum this way. Just down, down strum. Down, down. And then G major. G major you need to play it 2 times. Then D major. D major you need to play it 3 times this way. B minor 1 time. G major 2 times. D major 3 times. So this transition will be played 2 times for the stanza, and then comes the pre-chorus. So for the pre-chorus you need to use the chords B minor. No, in pre-chorus there is no strumming, just you need to play the chords. So the chords will be used are B minor, G major, D major, F sharp minor. Then starts the chorus. So for the chorus, the same transition will be used as a pre-chorus, and the strumming pattern goes this way. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up. B minor, G major, D major, same strumming you need to play a little bit faster, and then comes the second stanza and the pre-chorus, again the chorus. After that comes the bridge part. So for the bridge, the transition is G major. Again in the bridge part also there is no strumming, just you need to play the chords G major, A major, F sharp minor, B minor, again G major, A major, B minor, then D major. Then again back to the chorus with the same transition. So now let's try to do it with the original song.
It's always the lie that is lost. I know the one with the power is never the one who shines.